It has arrived. It's time for us to change the oil on our 2016 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. So we just purchased this from FCP Euro. It just came in. We're doing the unboxing here. Comes with oil. There's your crush washer. Here is our oil filter. And as you guys can see, I've already drained the oil. It's just 13 millimeter. And we're getting ready to pour in the oil. The rest of the engine looks good. May need a new cabin filter, but everything else looks pretty good. So I've been sitting here trying to get this oil filter cap off for the past hour, and I can tell you right now, without the actual filter cap tool, you are not going to be able to get this off. So got that ordered. I will check in with you guys tomorrow to get this off.